This is the Spicy Food Challenge #1.
Inaugural.
Where Austin and I will eat the spiciest things we can find and torture ourselves. So we are eating tenders from Swings with the death sauce.
We actually have more death sauce here. We ordered it just in case our masochism deserted us halfway through.
We each have a tub of blue cheese. We have soda, and we have fries.
Let's get a close-up of these monster wings here. As you can see, it's slathered with kind of insane-smelling sauce and what looks like actual... Oh, you're just diving right in.
No.
Yeah.
If you smell it, it hurts.
There are actually little pepper seeds in it, like all over it, encrusting it. If you waft it...
Previously, I've gotten these. There's been like this green tinge to the sauce.
Weird.
I don't see that today, so it's like
Good.
Stealth. Because then you knew. Oh, and don't touch your eyes, because I did that once. You might
Don't
go
touch
blind.
anything else either.
Don't get it on your fingers and touch anything.
Yeah.
You ready?
May the best one win. Cheers.
Oh, there it goes.
Not so bad so far. I'm waiting for it to...
It's a lingerer. And oh, my ears are burning.
Creeps up on you. I kind of just hit the back of my throat. Getting some nice warmth everywhere. No distress yet, though. That's
No.
good.
I'm going to
I'm not in panic mode.
eat one naked.
Yeah, my first one was like sans cheese. I think now I'm gonna do some cheese. Good dressing.
Oh, blue cheese is excellent. Okay, we're gonna settle in and keep eating. We'll check back with you maybe in like 10 minutes.
Signing off. It's the Wing Squad.
Oh my god. Now it's burning.
Welcome back to the Swings Challenge. We're each one wing in. There's one tender in at this point. And I don't know. We've been eating some of these fries with chipotle lime sauce, which honestly, like, allegedly is spicy, but after this just tastes like milk. And that's washing it down.
This is more death sauce. We're gonna dip stuff in it.
Yeah, so the plan is, as if my stomach didn't hate itself and hate me already, the plan is to dip spicy. I got one.
Yeah, but look at...
Oh, good. God, are you getting this, cameraman? Zoom in on this. This is just extra sauce. At this point, I'm down to, like, pleasant tingling in the lips. Not so much in the back of the throat anymore.
My tongue's on fire.
Yeah. Although I sound like Tom Waits because it's sort of eating away at my vocal cords. But
it's good for spring cleaning of the...
Yeah, squirt it into your sinuses.
Of the head. Well,
Yeah.
I didn't want to do that yet.
All right, we're going to do spice on spice?
I guess so.
Death tenders in death sauce.
It's there.
Goodbye, cruel world. If I die because of this experiment, I leave all of my food processing equipment to name Guy Fieri.
Ugh.
If I die due to this experiment, I leave all my culinary equipment to Guy Fieri.
I think you should let the world know that you couldn't think of his name. That's how much dick he is. Sorry, Guy Fieri. I don't like you.
It's really savory. It's a hot sauce that actually tastes like sauce. It's got a nice flavor. Habaneros, carrots, probably, vinegar. My face is sweating.
I'm trying not to request more soda.
Soda makes it worse. It's an old spicy food trick of the trade.
But it helped for a minute.
Yeah. It's good for a second and then it's so bad. The fries are nice though. Chipotle sauce just tastes kind of like sweet and mild.
It's very mild.
I think my stomach lining is like threatening to secede. What's your take on the sauce on sauce?
I got a kick to the mouth.
I'm gonna do it again. That's the kind of stuff I'm on today. So we play at the advocate. We don't mess around.
Okay, give me a Coke. In the mug. I'm very sweaty.
I love when you get a mini like adrenaline rush because your body knows that it's in danger.
It's telling you to get up and you're like, no! If you hold the soda in your mouth, it totally doesn't burn for like those seconds.
Fresh.
Oh god, I don't even know if I want to do this.
Spice food eating isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. People are handing you cups of water and you feel like you're gonna die.
I'm going to shamelessly take a spoon of blue cheese. I don't care.
Nobody's judging you at this point.
Oh, that helped.
Yeah.
No, it didn't. Holy shit. It's crazy.
That stuff just made me cry like I was watching daytime TV.
Like they canceled your stories.
Yeah, like my favorite soap opera. Incidentally, my favorite soap opera is Twin Peaks.
What do you think? Are you gonna kill it?
Kill what?
The rest of your thing?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.